Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate an Instagram account temporarily or permanently. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android. Look at the bottom left and tap your profile picture. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the three lines to open settings. After that, click on Account Center and scroll down to Personal Details. Tap it, then choose Accounts Ownership and Control. Here, you will see the options for deactivation or deletion. If you want to hide your Instagram account temporarily, select Deactivate Account. If you want to remove your account permanently, select Delete Account. For example, choose Deactivate Account and click Continue. Instagram will ask for your password. Enter it and click Continue. Then choose a reason for deactivating and click Continue again. Finally, tap Deactivate Account. Instagram will confirm that your account is deactivated. So that's basically how you can deactivate an Instagram account temporarily or permanently. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.